Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We are 5 days a week. We are 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Disconcern the truth. The problem with making assumptions is that we believe they are the truth. We make an assumption, we misunderstand, we take it personally, then we react by sending emotional poison with our word that creates a whole big drama for nothing. Get rid of the drama, folks. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 32, NASDAQ is down 1, S&Ps are flat, gold contract down $9.30 at $11.88 an ounce. Silver down 18 cents at $16.80 an ounce. Platinum down $3 at $9.77 an ounce. Copper $2.66 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1.08, trading at $53.83 a barrel. Notes: 10-year note up 5 ticks, 123.31. 30-year bond up 14 ticks, 149.29. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, rejected lower price, had lighter volume. Bottom line, looks like they want to go topside. You can expect high volatility out here all over this place in spades. King dollar up 529 ticks, trading at 100.545. Bottom line with King Dollar, you've been down for 3.5 weeks. You got a dead cat bounce going. We'll see what you actually had out here today in King Dollar, and we'll go over it. It actually failed on price and all volume at one of the downtrends bars at 100.700. Euro. The euro is trading at 106, and the yen is at 115.54. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We have a slew of numbers coming out, folks. So the SPY closed at 229.33. Right now, what we did out here is that you went sideways, 56 million shares. The high of yesterday was at 229.57. You're hanging at this high. So bottom line, we'll see if we can get to a higher price. Dow Industrials, exact same setup. Dow's up 32. You closed over the high yesterday. That means you can go higher. Particularly, folks, when you had an up week this week, it's going to be hard for the market to basically pull back. It doesn't mean that it has to go higher, but I don't think you're going to see some big pullback tomorrow. Just out, you just had Google with numbers coming out. Google closed at $832. It's trading right now at $813. Now, this has been a wild ride, folks, okay? This numbers have been out for approximately 6 minutes. This has traded to 800, then back up to 835, back down to 818. Bottom line, it's been all over the place. Intel just come out with numbers also. We'll go over those numbers right after we do the update here. Intel closed at $37.56. That is trading up 50 cents right now. It had been down $1. Starbucks just come out with numbers. Starbucks is closed at $58.46. That's trading down $1.13. And Microsoft is going to be out any minute. Microsoft might be out. Let's see. Microsoft closed at $64.27. Microsoft is trading at $63.57. Yes, it's out. So let's go over and we'll take a look at the NDX 100. We'll take a look at the 3 Qs. Inside the 3 Qs out here, what you have, you got to a price point today of 125.82. You closed right up at those highs. We'll see whether they can hold that tomorrow. The way that it's looking thus far inside the NDX, you get the yin and the yang, meaning Google is going to bring that down. Google's a large weighting structure. It's particularly large because now you have the Google 2 separate structures. Google and Google L, and they both are in the NDX 100. So that's trading at 811 right now. Microsoft, also another large weighting structure. That's down $1. Starbucks is a large weighting structure. So the NDX 100, actually, let's go look at the 3 Qs right now, because the 3 Qs should be down 5 or 10 cents right now. So the Qs closed at 125.56. Yeah, they're trading down 15 cents. They're trading down 125.39. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold coming into a Friday, folks. Going to be pretty wild out here. Now, gold got down to 11.83 today. You closed out at 11.87. You get light volume. You're not inside, though, the 11.92.60 from yesterday. So bottom line, this can go after 11.77 tomorrow. Silver. We take a look at the silver market. What do you have with silver? There she is right there. No, we're in 2017, aren't we? So silver. Silver got down to $16.68. You're trading at $16.78. You did 52,000 contracts. Now, that's light volume. Both gold and silver, folks, is light volume what it was coming into. Silver was coming into 82,000 contracts, and we did 52. The notes and the bonds are saying that they want higher price, and of course, with notes and bonds wanting higher price, that's saying that the market still wants to pull back. You had a rejection today of lower price in the 10-year note. You had dramatically lighter volume. We did a 1.2 million. Let's call it 1.3. It's 1.29. We did 1.3 million contracts. You're going into 1.8 million. So that's saying, once again, the 10-year wants to go after 125.11. Now, what you have here is that this very well could be an ABC structure on the way up. We'll see if we come off these levels and you have volume as you move to higher price. 30-year, we take a look at the 30-year bond. 30-year bond is set up the exact same way. Got down to 148.30, rejected it, had 186,000 contracts, which is light. You remember, you're always looking at this, though, where's the supply and demand curve? Well, in this case, that benchmark's 338,000 contracts. That's what we went into. We went to 148.30. The day of the 5th is the number. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar was up 606 ticks, 34,000 contracts, made it to a price point of 100.735. That number, folks, it was coming right into the downdraft from the 12th rather of January, where it had 54,000. It rejected that price. King dollar looks to me like it built in a large ABC structure on the way down. You stay right there, folks. We'll be going through all these numbers for you. Dow Industrials finished up 32. NASDAQ flat. S&Ps down. S&Ps are flat also. Be right back.